Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take a shot with your robotic total station. Now, I've already set my instrument up using a resection, so if you wanna know how to do that, we have a great video that Ray does showing you exactly how to do that. But with my total station set up, and hopefully you can see on the camera there, it is following me as I almost eat it over these rocks at my feet here, but as you can see, it is tracking me. Now, if I wanna take a shot, it's really simple with FieldGenius. All I'm gonna do is click on my store point button here at the bottom. It's going to measure my point, and you can see here it gives me my coordinates. I can give it a name, so if I just wanted to call this field topo here, I'm gonna go FLD-TOPO and hit save, and it will be saved to my project. You can see it's on here now. Now I'm gonna keep walking over here, and I'm gonna take a second shot because all I gotta do is I wanna walk wherever I want. You can see the robot is following me now, and let's say I wanna take it at the edge of this roadway here. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna hit store point, I'm gonna click on measurement here at the side of my road. It's gonna measure a point. Now I'm gonna add a code here. I'm gonna add a new code for road. So I'm gonna go road, hit save, and you can see again on my map screen here that I have that point saved as my road. Now, that is everything for today's video. That is how you very quickly take a shot with your new GeoMax robotic total station. And if you want to know how to lay out a site plan or lay out an engineer's plan, we've got a video on that as well that I'd highly recommend you go check out. And for more videos like this and to learn more about RTK, total stations, or anything else, do go check out survey-assistant.com.